Somebody please go rescue my husband. Save him.
It's really hard.
Save him from this burden of living with his wife.
A burden that I'm carrying. Being your husband.
Hi there, look at that. I can't even talk to you guys how excited I am. Hi guys, this is me. Just opened my brand new baby. Can you see these veins standing up in my face? How excited I am, you guys. I just opened this camera. It's not even vlog day. I'm just here installing it, but I have to come out and give you guys my fresh excitement, my fresh gratitude, my fresh thanks to you all. Listen, to everybody who make everything possible. Thank you guys. I know you guys don't need any mention, but you guys are awesome. And it's not even towards the camera, but it's towards that. You know what that is? Let me show you. What is that? You guys, I got my drone. I got my drone. My drone is here, and I am so excited to just launch it up into the sky and just give you guys some of the most beautiful shots and just enjoy creating memories with the family and just fly this baby and just create content which I enjoy doing. You guys have no idea how much gratitude and thanks I have to each and every one of you who send encouraging words, who send me love through PayPal. Every single one of you, from family members known to friends, to family members unknown, to friends unknown, to friends known. You guys are amazing. Thank you, thank you, thank you guys. I now have my camera back, now back to the good quality, and I can now go back to making my food videos, because I couldn't make my food videos on my phone. It was really hard to cook and to hold the phone and all of that, and the phone can't angle the way the camera can for me to cook and stuff like that and to work out. So I now have my camera back. We're back in business like we never left. And I'm giving you guys blue here. So I got my babies, and I can't thank you guys enough. Thank you, every single one of you. Mwah, mwah. Now let's get these vlogs lit, shall we? These vlogs. Let's get these vlogs popping. Yes, honey? Alright. I'm just testing it out right now, just to see what it looks like. Here we go. So I didn't get not just one, but 2 new babies. Baby's bag. My baby. Look how beautiful she is. Oh, how I missed you. My baby's bag. What you doing? What you doing?
I'm just looking.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good night.
We buy a new camera.
We buy a new camera. Say morning to the face.
One, bye-bye.
7:15. 8:15 almost.
Soft, I'm gonna hear my alarm over there. Wait for my alarm.
8:15. I don't know what you.
Jesus Christ! You guys, I'm gone. Baby, Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ.
Who turned off my alarm?
You ring long time ago.
It's you turn it off.
You ring long time ago. I am still there.
You guys are gone. Turn off the camera.
Take your key.
Mercy. Come on, Daddy. Open the door. Look at your nose. You guys, you see how my face looks shiny? Because I had to run to Tyler's school. My gosh, let's do this intro again. So you guys got everybody in the house ready and ready to head out, and think I had time and was about to talk to you guys, and babe say it's 8:15, tell us school open at 8:20, and by 8:25 the gate is closed, so I had to chew and run to school because I didn't hear my alarm. But in the mornings, if I'm busy when my alarm goes off, I always tell them to turn it off for me. So see me start and I didn't hear it, and babe turn it off, and I'm here thinking, oh, I have time, let's have a little fun with Faith. So that's why you guys saw me had to rush out. But anyway, I am back. Tyler, we made it to school in time. We made it in time, so that's good. If we didn't make it in time, we'd have to wait 10 minutes extra when the second set of kids go in, the older kids. Then he would be able to go in, but he'd have to find his class himself, which he can do, so it would still be okay. But I don't like to not be there at the first gate. That's just how I am. Anyway, you guys, it's gonna be a full-on long day. Have so much to get done around here. Babe, I don't know if you guys see babe or he talked to you guys when I left, but he also had to run out. He's gone to the office today. Sarah is here. Sarah have a little runny nose, so she's kind of whiny. Had a little rough night, but she made it through. Yeah, but as you guys can see, we're back in business. Oh yeah, I think I was doing my little dance when babe said, oh, it's 8:15, you gotta go. Anyway, you guys, I am going to jump right into workout a bit right now and then get on with my day. So hopefully you guys are doing good. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. Enjoy your day. Enjoy the rest of today's vlog. If it's your first time to the channel, subscribe right now and catch up and keep up with the fam, and give this video a thumbs up also. Love you guys, and I'll catch you guys throughout the rest of today. When I finish workout, I'll show you guys Sarah, so stay tuned for all that. Love y'all.
Sing Baby Shark for mama.
Teddy bear.
Teddy bear, a baby shark. Baby shark.
Mommy. Shark. Mommy shark. Teddy bear.
Look, sing. Look. Baby shark tutu.
Baby shark. Mommy shark. Mommy shark. Daddy shark. Daddy shark. Grandma shark. Grandma shark.
You're so cute.
Grandma shark. Grandma shark.
This is the end. Sing Twinkle Twinkle. You guys, I came in here to fold laundry and she's just singing away. Baby shark. She loves singing Baby Shark.
Baby shark, baby shark, mommy shark, mommy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark. Is that Papa? Where's that Papa?
Where is Papa? I don't know. Papa is at work. Papa is not home.
Where?
Papa is at work. Where is Tyler? Tyler is at school. Oh! This little girl kills me all day.
Papa?
Papa is at work. My God, she's so funny, you guys. I am having a headache. I am having a terrible headache right here. It's killing me. But I am taking my time cruise controlling today. It's Friday. It's the end of the week. So I'm happy that it's the end of the week and looking forward for the weekend. So I'm here about to go fold some laundry. I got workout in. I'll show you guys that in a bit. And this girl is just all up in my bed.
Teddy bear.
Teddy bear. You guys, this teddy bear, I cannot get rid of it.
Teddy bear, teddy
This teddy bear is the very first gift my husband gave me.
What's square? Teddy bear, teddy bear, the pie, the guy.
It's the first gift my husband gave me on his trip to his very first trip to Jamaica. So this teddy bear is as old as our relationship. This teddy bear will be 10 years old on August 12th. And I'll never get rid of it. And now Sarah loves it. I have to sleep with this teddy bear every night. Or when I go on vacation, I pack it in my suitcase. Don't laugh, it's not funny. Anyway, y'all, I'm going to go get some stuff done and see if I can get rid of this headache. Say bye-bye to Faves. Say bye. Say bye-bye. My teddy bear.
Teddy bear, wow. Teddy bear, well, teddy bear.
Aww. She loves this teddy bear. She have come in my room just for this teddy bear. Sometimes I can't find the teddy bear and I just know Sarah take it out and put it in her room.
Teddy bear.
Teddy bear.
Teddy bear.
I used to love teddy bear growing up. My bed used to be filled with teddy bears. All my little boyfriends used to give me teddy bear on Valentine's Day. Whee! The things I used to do growing up. You guys, look at my daughter. Why are you in my closet? Hello? Why are you in my closet? You doing caca? You doing caca? Huh? You little miss. Get out of my closet. Come. Get out of my closet that needs folding. Get out. Come, Ty, stand here. My babies, how cute we are. You guys, we are heading to the... Look at Sarah. Opening up my clothes. You ready? Ready to go to the pool? You guys, it's been a long, hot day. And my girl and I matching with my boy. But Papa is at work. So we're going to the pool without Papa right now. So let's go to the pool. From the pool, the kids had so much fun and it was good to be out there and just cool down a bit. But we've been back home and It's Friday, it's Pizza Friday. So I'm doing dinner right now, and we have some barbecue left over from yesterday, which we did barbecue outside. So I'm just warming up the rest of that barbecue meat, and we're gonna do pizza. So let me show you what today's dinner is looking like. So there goes Mr. Pizza. Pizza. That's Tyler's plate and the rest of the barbecue. Sarah is already eating. Sarah is super hungry. Sarah is already grubbing on our barbecue. The babe just got home also, so the entire family is home to just chill and breathe on this lovely Friday afternoon. I'm for sure not gonna do nothing for the rest of today apart from breathing. Anyway, y'all, it's grub time. We're gonna have to call a segment in the vlog the Sarah segment, okay? Because she have her own show going on right now. Can you tell the faves night night? Can you tell them night night? Say bye bye. Say tomorrow. You play tomorrow. Say bye-bye. Say bye. Okay, we're going to sleep. See tomorrow. Bye-bye. Mwah. Good girl. You're too fierce, you know, calm down, girl. Baby, if you do that, me I go fart by your hand.
Yeah, I know, it's already spoiled. Then I will have to surgery and they will cut my hand.
Lord, give me.
My gravy will be written, killed by the smell of the fart of his wife.
You think if I agree with a girl on your forehead,
Oh,
you can walk around in the street.
with the max
No,
oxygen.
you wait until you die if you walk around with it.
I will have spot everywhere that I know is bad reaction to my wife's fart. Chemical weapon. If one day somebody attack you, I would have to look at nuclear and like military. If somebody really know you properly, I'm sure they're gonna kidnap you. You have a weapon inside you. Chemical weapon. Can you believe if we're going somewhere like in a plane and you're farting like this?
No, the person they would have to do emergency landing.
Oh, they will have to land.
That's a fact.
They will have to land. That's impossible to breathe. True. No, sir. And in a closed area. That's worse than coronavirus.
You don't tell him I sick and tired, no, you tell them about my fart.
Yeah.
Tell them about something else.
You need masks.
They already wearing masks.
Hi guys. Good
You talked to them this morning when I left?
No. Me left too.
They said this morning you want to be a tell I run go down the street. Why you turn off my alarm if I don't
It
tell
ring
me?
for 5 minutes. We can't manage it more than 5
So
minutes.
tell me I did
I
not
told you. I told you. And
When? You
this
tell-
morning at
you,
8 something.
you tell me 8:15.
No. After I tell you, like, what are you still doing here?
8:15. It was 8:15. When you tell me 8:15. Why you turn
Why
on
are you
my-
always
why you turn
trying
on
to
my alarm?
blame me?
Because you turn on my alarm and don't tell me.
some things, she always do some things that not supposed to do or anything. And she always blame me, even when I'm nothing to do with that. Babe, why did you do that? But I wasn't there all day. Still, why did you do that? That's not easy for me to leave. That's a heavy to carry.
Somebody please go rescue my husband. Save
No, it's
him.
really
Save him
hard.
from this burden of living with his
It's
wife.
a burden that I'm carrying, being your husband.
Somebody come and rescue this man, please.
Oh.
Rescue him before he die. Rescue him
What
from
happened
his...
to me on December 2013? I mean, did I was drunk? Did something was wrong in my mind? Did I get approval from the doctor?
It's not too late, honey.
Of course it's too late.
No. C'est pas possible ça. It's not too late. You can still walk away. You have time. Walk away before it's too late.
Oh yeah.
Walk away while you still have time.
Never too late, as you said, never too late.
Walk away while you still have
I already
time.
did a mistake in life.
He's calling his wife a mistake.
No, I'm not calling
I
you a
take it.
mistake.
No, he's calling me a mistake. You guys hear it on
You see,
record?
and here
I'm
we
going
go
to leave it
again.
right there.
Here we go
I'm going to leave it
again.
right there for proof. He's calling me a mistake. But it's not too late. You still have time. Go on. Look, the sun is still shining outside.
Me I run.
You don't reach. Where
Yeah,
you come
which
back
long
for?
time ago? Who you talking to now?
Where you come back for?
Yeah, my brother just left. I'm
Go while you
I'm
still
little
have
big brother.
time. The sun is still light
I'm
out.
little big brother.
You, still,
Little
you
big
don't
gone
even
long
have to
time
park.
ago.
You can just go as you are. God say
You
come as
run
you
like
are.
you Usain Bolt. I mean, nobody can run
God
faster
say
than
come
him.
as you are. Go.
I went.
While you still have time. So you come back for?
No, I'm not Ludwig.
You're not going?
I went already. And somebody had called me. Why did you leave your 2 kids alone? They didn't talk about
They
you. They
won't
didn't
even
say why
miss
did you
you.
leave.
They
Did you
won't
leave
even
your,
miss
your
you.
your wife alone? They say why did you leave your 2 kids
They won't
alone?
even miss you.
You bet.
I bet.
You bet if tomorrow morning I stay in the bed and they don't see me, they will come and where's
Nope.
Papa?
No.
You know the truth.
No. They won't miss you.
Okay. Your day.
My day was so.
So, what it means so?
It have its ups and downs. I had headache. So.
Mixed feeling,
Yeah.
like you want to give up,
No, that's never an option.
like your daughter is not as pretty as you expected.
This man, this coming to one of the most stupidest questions.
The worst questions.
Come and see your friend on TV. End the vlog.
Anyway, guys, my friend's called Naruto. That's my best friend. I have 2 best friends, Naruto and Wendy's.
I guess he loved the color here. That's why I put mine in blue. Cause Naruto here yellow, Wendy here red. Might as well I go blue.
Yeah, you're trying
He
to
loved
be
the colors.
innovation. I mean, if you turn red, you will look too much like Wendy. If you turn yellow, you will look like Naruto. So you turn blue. You have your own style. I like that. It's a fail, but at least it's your own style. You don't copy. So that's it.
Okay.
You have anything to say? Anything for your defense? You put your head in a pants. You are painting the wall. You are
I
painting.
hear this fool yesterday about if I hug Smurf.
Yeah, at least I didn't say if you put your head in an elephant.
Ask me about if I hug Smurf. Come in the vlog.
Anyway, guys, that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed today. That was the first day with the new camera, so that feels different. Not to be
And
in the
yesterday
phone.
I'm ironing and I get burned again.
She
So
always get burned. She always hurt herself. She's a specialist for that. Sorry. I really feel sorry. I don't look like, but I really feel. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. We enjoyed the vlog, and it's the weekend, so we're gonna bring you with us for new adventures along the weekend. You ready?
I'm so ready.
You
I'm
ready
going
for
to
the-
bed early tonight to rest for tomorrow.
Okay, so what you have to do before?
Give it a thumbs up.
Thumbs up,
Comment down below.
down,
Subscribe if you're new to the
subscribe,
fam bam.
notifications.
catch up and keep up.
I will see you guys
Tomorrow.
tomorrow.